Galileo Galilei is born February 15th, 1564, and I guess that's kind of cool because it's right after Valentine's Day. He's Italian and he's smart, but he's a pretentious suck-up like some people we know. Science sometimes likes to make Galileo out to be a martyr, but he's really not the hero your 7th grade science teacher pretended he was. He didn't invent the telescope. That was a German guy named Hans Lippershey. He also didn't map the moon first. That was Thomas Harriot. He called Saturn's rings ears because why not, and then named the 4 moons of Jupiter after the royal Medici family to try and get some money out of the Grand Duke of Tuscany, who eventually said, heck yeah. When Galileo became a professor at Pisa, he was the kind of teacher that says, here's the book, do the thing, pay me, and don't ever talk to me again. The kind of guy that would make the top 10 list of worst professors on RateMyProfessor.com. Galileo, once upon a time, was friends with a couple guys named Barberini and Bellarmini, who have literally never been able to keep straight, who liked his astronomy and tried to support him. Both of these guys belonged to the church, which might come as a surprise because the church is supposed to hate Galileo by default, right? Both of his friends said, hey Galileo, maybe you should cool it down a bit and try not to force this on everyone so fast because change is hard. And Galileo said, how about no? After that, Pope Paul V made Bellarmini send Galileo a mean letter, and that stopped him for about 10 years. No. Surprise! Galileo's friend Barberini becomes Pope Urban VIII, and he and the Inquisition, which nobody expected, authorized Galileo's dialogue concerning the 2 chief world systems, so long as he puts both sides of the heliocentricity debate in the work. Haha, the anti-heliocentricity guy in the book is named Simplicio, and he's kind of stupid. Also, this character uses direct quotes from Pope Urban VIII because Galileo just really likes not having any friends. The church calls Galileo in, shows him a hot poker, and Galileo flips out and recounts everything and then some, just for good measure. He's placed under house arrest for the rest of his nerdy life, where he finally learns to research without picking on his friends, and he dies rich. Now, his middle finger is on display for all to admire in Florence, Italy. Johannes Kepler and Nicholas of Cusa are a lot cooler and suggested a lot of the same exact stuff and didn't get put under house arrest by the church, and you should pay more attention to them instead, because they weren't jerks.